Welcome everybody back to Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. It's been a while, but we're back, and I'm to show you guys the new addition for the channel. I got this about 2.5 years ago. It took me about recently 2 months that I started learning it a lot, like learning all the recipes, everything for it. So without further ado, say hello to the new addition. All right, so now that you guys see, that's a 36-inch Blackstone griddle. Okay, we got plenty of good, easy recipes, just like the channels for beginners. We're still doing a lot of Traeger. We got a lot of great things coming for Traeger. The rematch on the brisket, since I overcooked the brisket for the first time and I did horrible last year, I'm gonna do it again. So we're also adding Hungry Man Edition. That meaning is every recipe we do that has a Hungry Man Edition on the title means bigger and better. Big for Hungry Man. Keto Edition, meaning stuff for keto. We're adding that to the channel also. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be great. We're bringing big things. I'm excited for this Blackstone because I've done some great things over the past few months, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys know where it's coming. See you next time.